Imagine waking up in the morning and your store is gone. Your Etsy store is blocked and you cannot do anything. There's one secret feature that every Etsy seller should know. Hey, my name is Robert. I am the co-founder of alerioprint and I have taught more than 500 students on how to become a successful Etsy sellers. So in this video, I'm going to show you one small feature that every Etsy seller should do, and we're gonna switch to my computer to take a look on it. Imagine waking up in the morning, taking your morning coffee, turning on your computer, opening Etsy to see how many orders do you have, and you open up and see that you have this type of notification. Your account is currently suspended or blocked. So no one's protected from this because Etsy can block actually your store for no reason, which has happened several times to my students as well. So what you have to do to avoid this, first of all, you have to follow Etsy house rules. You have to fulfill your orders on time, you have to listings without any copyrights and so on. So then you're more or less sure that your store is not going to be suspended. But there are some cases when Etsy is doing this for no reasons, and you have to back up yourself. So to do that, you have to go inside your Etsy store, go inside your dashboard and go to settings. And this is like a secret thing that no one is talking about actually. You have to go to options, and down here inside options there's a download data tab. You open that app and there's this button, download CSV. So basically you have to at least once per month download your existing Etsy listing data. So if that happens and your store is being locked and you cannot get in anymore, so you at least have these data on your computer. So you can first of all, if you can open a new store and relatively fast create new listings, because inside this file you will have all of the details of your products, like title, description, price, tags, materials, all of the images, variations and all that stuff. So basically you can create back on time really fast. Or if you want to start selling on any other platform, so you can download this file and use these as an import file, just updating it to the platform which you are willing to start selling, and that's going to be really fast. So this, go inside settings, options, download data and download CSV. And to avoid this, actually you have to follow the house rules. So happy selling for all of you, and yeah, mark this to do every month, once per month, and you're gonna be sleeping well. By the way, if you like this type of content, hit the subscribe and like button so you would get this type of content more. If you're interested into starting your own Etsy print-on-demand business, follow our course inside our system, register inside alerioprint and go to courses section, and you're gonna find a free Etsy seller course where you can learn how to create your own successful Etsy print-on-demand business.